Hello, welcome back. What I have for you today is Little Bastard by West Coast Picks. The lock does work, sticks a little bit but it does work, and you've got a certain set of picks you have to pick it with. Only opens counterclockwise, use shim, and tools must travel with the lock. I must admit, I like the look of this. I have to play about with it and I do like the feel. It is very interesting but still very nice. And also, this is a follower for the lock, but I seen that Tom could not get this through, so he had to take the tape off. So we'll see what that's all about. We might have to do the same. And the pick itself, very thin and very small. So hopefully I can get it picked with this. So what we'll do, we'll get it in the vise. We do have it in the vise, and it only turns so far, so hopefully we'll get it picked and just enough so we can take it out and make sure it's open. So I will be using top of the keyway tension, and I'll be using this, I would say, short hook. Let's start looking for a binder. I think that was pin 4, 3. I think that was pin 2. That was pin 3. Pin 3 again. That was pin 1, I think. Very light tension on this lock. That was pin 3 again, I would imagine. That could have been Warden that time. It is very difficult to pick with this little pick, as I'm used to something a little bit in a bigger thickness than this. I think it was pin 2. Don't know whether I've overset something there. Again, lighten up on the tension a little bit. It was pin 2, pin 3. Start again, I might have overset something there. Pin 1. Pin 1 again. Pin 3. Getting very weird feedback off this lock. We do have a full set. I thought it had an open there. It's not open yet. Check all the others. think that's pin 2. I think that's an open. Hopefully, because I've just lost a tension wrench. Yes, we do have an open. Right, now the joys of taking it apart. I'm not going to try it from the back. I will just take the tape off the top. Just bear with me 1 minute. As I seen the shim didn't work for Tom, I thought there's no point trying. I could just tape it back up. Too lots of tape on, he must not wanted me to get into this. Again, Tom, thank you for sending me the lock. And thanks to West Coast Picks for pinning it up. It was a very enjoyable pick. I think there's more tape than lock. Hopefully this is the last of it. Yep, this is the last of it, so be careful this time round. The last one has a spring. So that's, I would say that was pin 4. Very small spring. Don't think there's a pin in there. We'll take the rest off. Doesn't look like there's a spring in number 3 either. So I'll take, that's 5, so move this over. It's the smallest spring I've ever seen, I think. We'll take a look at the end. There's nothing in chamber 3, but we'll check. Look up them too. Try and go from number 1. It's a very small lock, so I'm having a little bit of trouble with it. Very small spring. There is something in there. And again, I don't think there's anything else in there. There's a spring for 2. I think we dropped all 3 out there, yep. Made a little bit of a mess of that there. I think that we're keeping in that one. And I think that was a keeping upside down in that one. So that was the pinning. There was no spring in chamber 3. None whatsoever. I'm sorry if that's not the right way. I will double check, but I think that's the way it went. It was a very fun pick. Thank you for giving me the challenge. Thanks for sending the lock, Tom. And also thanks for watching. Bye for now.